Isometric sketching using our linking cubes. Here we have our figure. So the way I position my figure is to identify what is the front of the figure, what is the side. So in this case, this is the front. And yes, it does matter because if I use the other side as the front, it's going to dramatically change what it looks like in the end when I create my multi-view sketch. And I said dramatically, that's not the right term. It's going to drastically change your sketch. So here we go. I'm going to start off from the top. I always start from the very top. So you can see the square there. I'm going to recreate it here. 1, 2, let me fix that. 2, oh pues. 2, 3, and 4. I have my top. Okay, now I'm going to count the units down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm not going to do anything here because it's kind of hidden, so I don't know what's happening down there yet. Well, I do, but hang in there. On this side, I can only go 2 units down because I have those 2 front cubes in the front. So 1, 2, and the same with the outer corner. 1, 2, and I'm going to bring this across 2 units. 1, 2, and then finish the top of those 2 cubes that are lying on the front. And lastly, the side view that is right there. So this is my image. Now, I don't like the way that line looks there. It looks like it's connected. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line. This outer line, I'm going to recreate it because it's not connected to this line. It's in the back, so it's hidden in the back. Let me adjust a little bit more. There. So there. So you can tell here, it's right there. So the last thing I can do to double check that everything is correct, and this is what some students did last year, it's going to be up to you. If you're comfortable doing it on your own, that's fine. If not, with or without, that's fine. So they mimic what the linking cubes do, which is they have these places where they connect. So here's 1, you see it right there, and then 2, and now they can see there's 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and they do the same thing over here. Here's 1, and then here is the other one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can see the 5 cubes. Now at the end, when they're finished, they erase that because it doesn't look good if you leave it there. So just go ahead and erase it. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to color in the different views. So I'm going to start off with the easiest view. For me, the easiest view is the top. So this is the top. I can see that. If I were to rotate it, all I can see is that side and this side here. The next one, it's a little bit more challenging. It's the the front, but once again, it's right here and there. So I can see this side here, and I can see these 2 that are lying on their side. Done. Now on to the last side, which would be this side over here, the side view. So when I look at it from the side, I can see this part and this part. Everything is hidden away from sight. So think about that. Think about the top, the front, and the side as we go on to creating a multi-view sketch. I hope this helps.